Devendu, I'll start with you. What should we expect from season 2?
I mean, a lot of Bhokal, even more Bhokal, what you saw in season 1. More gravity from the characters, different shades in the characters, thicker plot, more drama, revenge, background score, better locations, everything.
A bigger scale of for everything and more details, and that's a rare combination to get. I'm also really looking forward to watching these new characters who've been introduced in season 2, played by Vijay Verma, Priyanshu, and Isha Talwar.
Different characters में different colors नजर आएंगे, और layers नजर आएंगी, depth नजर आएगी.
Ever since the first season of Mirzapur came out 2018 में, उसके बाद से we've been seeing this trend in the web space where a lot of shows are set in the heartland. It's like Mirzapur created a template and now everybody is trying to do something around that template. Do you think that puts some kind of pressure on you guys to have a better season 2 or to supersede fan expectations or something on those lines?
I mean, it's a big compliment to start with that people are considering Mirzapur as a template and they want to do something like that. I think we're just really happy while doing it. So we're very sure that people would also like and be happy watching it.
Prime Video का नहीं, पर Netflix पे जब Sacred Games आया था, I really think they raised the bar. And when that happens ना, जब एक शो इतना बढ़िया होता है, तो सबको एक वो मिलता है कि यार अब हमें we need to up our game. So if Mirzapur does the same thing, that makes us very happy.
I think there have been enough shows which are not in the heartland which have also been successful. So I'm actually celebrating the diversity that the OTT space is providing, and also not creating a formula. So, for example, something like Made in Heaven is as successful, so to say, as something like Mirzapur. So I'm actually very thrilled about that.
Devendu, please tell me. So even though हमें पता है Munna is the villain here, but we know there are no good guys as such in Mirzapur. Everybody has some shades of villainous or villainness in them, but Munna is a little more. So do you think making him a little more evil or making him a little more darker than the others, how does that play out for you?
You would see him as much more of a human this time also. Because the kind of situations he is in, but yeah, at the same time darker, and he's got a self-belief that no one can do anything to him. This combination was very interesting to play, where he's going through a lot, but at the same time he's got this constant belief in himself that you're the man, I can do anything and everything. Killing of Compounder is a major scar on his personality, his psychology. He was the only one who used to really care about Munna. So I felt very alone also this time, while shooting Mirzapur 2, that, the gang was not really there as, how we were in season 1.
Season 1 में the Golu we saw and the one we are watching in the trailer of season 2, I feel like she has completely transformed. So can you please elaborate a little about her journey?
I would like to give the entire credit to Munna for that. अगर Munna नहीं होते, ये हम character graph, ये growth हम नहीं देखते. In fact, during Mirzapur and shows like The Family Man, is when I realized कि हम ना बहुत आसानी से बोल देते हैं ये सही है, ये गलत है, ये villain है, ये पर वो क्यों है? I think that as a society we need to understand कि अगर मुन्ना ऐसे behave कर रहा है, तो वो तो समझने की कोशिश करो कि आप कुछ गलती कर रहे हो. या फिर गोलू, अब सीजन 1 में एक हंसमुख प्यारी लड़की जिसको किताबें पसंद है, शायरी पसंद है, आप उसको इतना वो चोक कर दोगे, या फिर बीना ऑल्सो कि आप उनको इतना दबा दोगे अगर सिचुएशंस में, तो कहीं ना कहीं वो रिटेलिएट करेंगे.
रसिका, हमने सीजन 1 में देखा बीना is living with a very different set of problems in comparison to different characters because they are living in the outside of Mirzapur और उनके politics और problems अलग तरह के हैं versus बीना जो त्रिपाठी घर के अंदर रहती हैं. So are things going to get any better for her this year? Because I can already feel that she's in quite a web this time.
I think what's interesting is that season 2 begins with you see that journey of her returning to herself again and regaining her Beena-ness, so to say, and then moving forward from that, because she is a survivor. She knows she understands people, she knows what their strengths are, what their weaknesses are. She at least understands everybody in the Tripathi household very, very well. And I think now she's finally once she recovers from that, and that journey is also interesting to watch. I mean, I was very happy to see that journey was a part of season 2 and you did not see ऐसा नहीं था कि season 2 की शुरुआत में she's dealt with all her issues and she's back to being somebody who can fight back, you know. But yeah, once she's back, she's as manipulative as she was in season 1. She knows how to play the men around her while making them believe that they are making their own decisions.
The women in Mirzapur, even though it's a completely testosterone-filled world. There's so many men who are all pointing guns at each other, and there's so much happening. But the women characters have their own story to say. They have their personal stories, their personal story arc. So was that like a conscious thing that we have to stick by that, or was that a flow of things kind of thing?
I mean, if you've given a certain attention or placed a character in a certain way in season 1, and we were lucky to have the same writer who's very invested in this world and creator, Puneet Krishna, who understands this world very well. He's created it, and he's so comfortable with how these characters are hardwired that it was very nice to watch him play around with that in the script and add more details and nuances. Without losing the core of the character.
I think रसिक और मैं करते ही नहीं बीना और गोलू, अगर हमें लगता है कि हम जस्टिस नहीं कर पाएंगे या फिर पार्ट हमारे लिए जस्टिस नहीं कर पाएगा. So no matter what we do, any project that we do, screen time is obviously something that is the carrot, but more important than that is कि जो आपके पास है उतनी टाइम में आप क्या कर रहे हो.
Devendu, आप मुझे बताइए, so in the last 2-3 years, जब से the web space has grown bigger, तब से there's this constant complaint of कि बहुत violence है, बहुत gore है, खून खराबा बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, and unfortunately मिर्जापुर भी उस firing line में आ जाता है. So do you have to say anything about the violence existence more, or just the way it's projected on web space now?
I tell you what, there is a in OTT, you always have flavor of the season, So right now where we are, the crime, drama, and the gore and everything is the flavor of the season, and it happens in our society, right? I mean, Javed Akhtar साहब की एक बड़ी अच्छी बात है कि उन्होंने बोला कि जो the whole debate whether सिनेमा सोसाइटी से आता है या सोसाइटी सिनेमा से आती है, तो उन्होंने बोला कि ये दो मिरर्स हैं जो एक दूसरे के सामने रखे हैं. सो यू कैन नेवर टेल कि एक्चुअली कौन किस चीज को कॉपी कर रहा है.
When did you guys realize that Mirzapur was a huge hit and like you guys are onto something really big now?
I remember Shweta telling me, जब हम लोग वापस आ रहे थे सीजन 1 के प्रमोशन से, आई थिंक दैट वाज द लास्ट डे, और उसी दिन 16th को ही आ गया था. एंड श्वेता टोल्ड मी कि यार ये ऑलरेडी वो जो एक टेस्ट रन चलता है या कुछ होता है, लोगों ने उसी पे पकड़ लिया है. रिमेंबर श्वेता? एंड यू आर लाइक ऑलरेडी पीपल आर रेविंग अबाउट इट, और उन्हें बहुत पसंद आ रहा है. एंड वो जस्ट फर्स्ट 2-3 आवर्स ओनली, और वही जिस तरीके से लोगों ने रिएक्ट किया था ना, वी गॉट अ सेंस के अच्छा ये मल्टीप्लाई होके इसमें कुछ मतलब इसमें एक वो फिशन रिएक्शन होता है ना जो एटम बॉम्ब में होता है, वो फिशन रिएक्शन इसमें शुरू हो गया. दिस माइट go off the roof.
I am very slow, and especially in catching up with all these things, I am the last person to know anything about anything. I think I realized only after 3-4 months because people continued to talk about it, and that to me was a clue that it's remained in people's memories. People are rewatching it, and there's something about it, about the characters, which has sort of made it iconic that people recall it so often.
I remember I was at B Blunt, मैं कुछ अपने बाल कलर या करा रही थी for लाखों में एक season 2, and I started watching कि चलो देखते हैं कि क्या क्या है, रिविजन हो जाएगा, but I couldn't stop. So that day when I saw it, I realized कि ये तो कुछ अलग ही बन गया है. And मुझे सारे एपिसोड्स देखने थे. And फिर तो खैर, thanks to social media and the holdings.
श्वेता, प्लीज टेल मी, आपका खुद के अलावा और कौन सा मोस्ट फेवरेट कैरेक्टर है मिर्जापुर में?
ये वाला क्वेश्चन आता है
ना, तो बहुत ही मुश्किल है क्योंकि मैं आपको रियल लाइफ का एक्सपीरियंस बताती हूँ कि जब डबिंग वापस चालू हुई थी एंड आई वेंट, तो ये था कि चलो यार मुन्ना का सीन देखते हैं. तो मुन्ना का सीन देखा. मुन्ना का सीन जैसे ही खत्म हुआ, लेट्स से किसी और का शबनम का सीन स्टार्ट हो गया, तो हुआ कि अरे अच्छा शबनम क्या कर रही है. फिर शबनम का खत्म हुआ तो रॉबिन, एक नया कैरेक्टर है, रॉबिन का सीन स्टार्ट हुआ. फिर बीना को हो गया. तो इट्स इम्पॉसिबल टू pick sides, it's impossible to choose one character, and I think the whole entire credit definitely goes to the actors, but it is Puneet ji who is the writer of the show, because he is Mirzapur and Mirzapur is Mirzapur.
अच्छा, ये बहुत डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर है, एंड आई एम श्योर मैं आप दोनों से जब पूछूंगी ये, तो आप भी यही कहेंगे कि सब आपके फेवरेट है. तो कुछ मुझे आप वेगली तो बता दो, आपका फेवरेट कौन है?
मैं तो बोल रही हूँ, मुझे मुन्ना इन सीजन 1 करना था.
ओह
सॉरी, ने ले लिया. उसका ऑडिशन मुझसे बेहतर था.
हाँ, मुझे भी सीजन 1 का मुन्ना.